Hello, fellow traders. Why is it important to follow time and price, not just time? I made a small purchase in United Gas because it didn't close lower. Like, for example, if you can see here on Friday, we closed above this one, but then yesterday went way down here, and unfortunately I rushed into it, but again, look how close these reversals are. 1375 and the lowest was 1379. So I'm expecting a bounce today, and this week is a panic. So we are in a panic cycle. We either gonna go down 30% of chances, or we're taking the low and the high of the previous weekly stuff. So previous one is this one, so we might take this low one and then take higher this one, or we can just keep going down until the 21st. We shall see. But today, if we close below this reversal, I would need to close the position because then it can keep going down. I doubt it's gonna happen because it's just not, usually has to go for 4 reversals to do that, and I don't think it's time to go below the 12 mark. I see others ones the same way, how precise is this tool? Like on this one, it touched the weekly 42.90 and then it just dropped, right? So now expect to keep on dropping at least a few days, right? Today though might be a part of a direction change. So sometimes weekly are more important than the daily. So we might have a bounce, then a move down, because the stochastics on the weekly are turning down, but on the daily are turning up. Again, VIX, nice trade here. It's going down. We'll see today is 1910 if we go underneath it. As long as I follow my own charts, usually I get it right. The times when I get emotional and I think I know better than the ones I screw up. So happy trading.